about the end of the journey, but to celebrate the hard work, growth, and achievements of our dear participants. These past few months, we have witnessed incredible progress in language skills, confidence, and creativity. From interactive lessons to fun activities, every moment was designed to make learning English enjoyable and meaningful. Today is a special day, a day to recognize the efforts of our students, appreciate the dedication of our trainers, and thank everyone who contributed to making this program a success. To our participants, you have shown enthusiasm, perseverance, and true passion for learning. Remember, this is not an end, but a stepping stone to greater opportunities. Keep practicing, keep improving, and let your English skills open new doors for you. Before we proceed with the rest of today's program, I'd like to extend my deepest gratitude to our trainers for their patience and their innovative teaching methods, the parents and guardians for your continuous supports, and of course, our amazing students. You are the reason why we are here today. Now let's sit back, enjoy the performances, and celebrate the success of this summer's English journey. Thank you, and once again, welcome.